man?
Dude, I'm doing great. And my dog, Kaya, she's doing excellent. She's right behind me, bro. Kaya! Dude, did you just fucking electrocute your dog with a shock collar? What?
God damn it, Hassan, stay on the bed.
It won't stop.
Yeah, well, neither will Chad. I'm busy.
Oh, my bones.
Did you just look at me? Did you just look at me, Kaya? You know what I have to do when you look at me, right? Now get back to your fucking bed!
It's the same reason as to why America...
Kaya!
Will you stop? What are you doing?